MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo.
MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng
A pleasant morning to everyone. This is the Battle of Champions para sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. And for our first day, ang mga maglalaban ay yung mga first runner-ups natin sa kani-kanilang mga division. For our first game, it will be the guys from CDO, ADM, SHJMS taking on Siklab Bataan. So two different areas, two different places will fight each other off for the first time today. Baron Mercado covering the action. And you can like and comment sa ating official Facebook page, Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League, Pocket League or Junior MPBL Facebook page. Naka-live tayo doon. And here we go. Let's start things off for 2026 Battle of Champions. Wearing red ay yung mga taga CDO. This is in the under 14 division. Itong mga nakaputi ay ang Siklab Bataan. So tulad ng nabanggit ko, meron tayo ngayong, or ang mga laban natin ngayong araw ay pagitan ng mga koponan sa mga teams within the first runner-up sa kani-kanilang mga probinsya. So it's Bataan versus CDO. Magandang laban na to. Two different style of plays. Makikita natin ang ating mga panibagong mga aabangan dito sa Manny Pacquiao sa Junior MPBL. First shot of the game. That goes in and one. Early in the morning, ganadong-ganado ang mga bata ni Coach Boy. Getting that basket to go in. On the other side, wearing white, Siklab Bataan, Coach Alfred. Sila naman ang naging runner-up sa Bataan Province. Tignan natin paano babawi sila Castillo as early as now. But that defense really tighty for them. That is a quick 5-0 run and a quick timeout para dito sa Siklab Bataan with 8 minutes 48 remaining. That's our first time out of the game. What a start para sa mga bata from our players from CDO.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo.
A 5-0 run para dito sa mga players from CDO. Susubukan makabawi. Basket will count. Nakakuha ng unang puntos after that quick timeout by Coach Alfred. I should say talagang nagising ang Bataan dito. As Bautista will be on the line and he knocks down the bonus. Parehong team naka-score na ng kanilang 3-point play. As Egita made that play kanina, a 3-point play. 5-3 is the score. Looking to respond with that move. That didn't work. Isa pa, fading away. Still won't go. A chance for Bataan na makatabla as early as the 8-minute 15-second mark. And for these kids, under 14, playing into a league like a Junior MPBL, Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL, parehong team sobrang excited to showcase their talents in this contest. And personally ako gusto ko rin makita yung brand of basketball na binibitbit nitong magkaparehong team na to as our first three-pointer. Hoisted up to a miss, a fast break play, Egita tries to finish. What a move Why the smallest man on the court just really using his speed and craftiness on that move. 7-3 ang ating score. Almost a steal. Ooh, a foul was called on that last one. But for Coach Alfred at sa buong Bataan, this is a good start for a good recovery, I should say. 5 oran sila kanina. Quick timeout, nakakomplete ng 3-point play. Now only down by 4. They'll play defense once again. Goes for that or denies that pick. A floater is up and in. Getting that floater to go, almost a steal. Tingnan natin paano re-rest back sa depensa itong Bataan. Just too big and too strong. At kung mapapansin natin with 6 minutes 35 remaining, the intensity of this team, yung kanilang excitement, talagang di matatawaran as we see a beautiful two-man play. And one again, dropping in para dito sa kampo ng Bataan. Egita this time hindi makakakuha ng opportunity but Sean takes the ball away. Turns the ball over though. Didiskarte once again itong mga players from CDO. Helter-skelter basketball early in the morning. Just a reminder to everyone, this is only 7:50 ng umaga. But the action really starting to pick up here. Didiskarte once again. Thought about that three. Hoist this one up in the wing. Egita gets that ball. Pounds the ball inside. Goes for that reverse. Natamaan yung ilalim ng rim pero natamaan din si Egita on that last play. So Sean will be at the line once again. He has 5 of their 6 points already. Majority of the points getting in for Sean. Knocks down the first one. Egita makes it both 7 out of their I should say 6 out of their all points. Oh yeah, 6 out of their 7 points. Galing dito kay Egita. Just single-handedly bringing this game. Itong si Sean Egita. On the other side, let's see how Bordado and company respond. One leg fader to a miss. Putback won't fall. Another opportunity on his way up. Merong foul na itatawag ang ating referees. Defense was tight as Kent Basanyes will be shooting his way in. Yan, isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sabay nyo na sa ating almusal ang napakainit na laban sa ating Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Pero for this day, ang maglalaban lang po muna ay yung mga first place squad sa kanilang mga probinsya. As a miss there by Kent, 1 out of 2. Now looking to make a move. Castillo, what a pass. I'll call that a pass every day of the week. With 4:53 remaining here. A opportunity once again para dito sa Bataan. Biglang nagising ang mga players ni Coach Alfred dito after that quick 5-0 start. Meanwhile, para sa kampo naman ni Coach Boy, a bit of a slower start for them. could have, taken advantage of the fact na slow start ang Bataan, could have attacked it more. But regardless, it is a nice response on the side of Bataan. First free throw is up and it is in para dito sa Siklab Bataan. The first place squad from Bataan. And this goes to show you that even if you don't make it to the even if you don't win the championship, bibigyan at bibigyan pa rin kayo ng pagkakataon, and it just really continues to develop. As a quick back and forth we go in the opening quarter. This is just a blitz of offense between these two teams. Castillo on that drive. Tough basket. And that goes in. What a shot by Castillo, challenging the defense. What a fun game to watch. Talagang palitan lang ng palitan ng puntos itong magkaparehong koponan. And this goes to show yung excitement pa rin. As a steal, a bump, referees, no basket, calls an offensive foul. Kahit dito sa angulo namin ni Derek Shadi, nakita namin that was a clear offensive foul. A bit too much aggressive on their liking, as Bataan is now up by 2 points, 16-14 with 3 minutes 28 remaining. Sean with a finish. What a start for Sean. He has been on fire. Talking about Sean, he has 9 of their 18 and just continues to pour in the points. If you are a fan of just basketball offense and scoring, this is your game as we get another basket to go. This is fun. This is only the first game of 10 for today, ladies and gentlemen. Pero itong magkaparehong koponan just continues to put the basket in, put the ball inside the hoop. And another turnover, another make on the other side. 20-19 is our tally with 2 minutes 25 remaining here. Tough challenge in the basket. What more can I say? It is a good stop by Castillo. And Bataan will have the possession again. As if you look at the score, again 22-20 ang ating talaan. Nagsimula ang laro with CDO having a 5-0 run. Bataan, Coach Alfred calling a quick timeout, and ever since it has been fireworks for both squads. It is 1 minute and 55 remaining. They're just making my job a bit more easier as these two teams just continue to put in the points. No defense, just pure high-octane offense for our first game of 10, Battle of Champions dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. And our first rare side of defense was stop, another and one counts. That is the third and one opportunity for Bataan. It was Sean who made the first 5 points. Magkakaroon ulit sila ng pagkakataon dito with 1 minute 22 remaining to add more points into the lead. Misses off on that one. We'll have a chance once again to respond. Itong mga taga-CDO, sila naman. Again, if you are a fan of high-octane offense, just give and go basketball, palitan lang ng puntos. Ito ang laro nyo. As early as the first quarter with 1 minute 13 remaining. We are at 26 and 24. These two teams loves to score. Samson was asking for the ball. He and Sean has been playing well on the side of Bataan. Meanwhile, on the side of CDO, they have been getting points from everyone. And with 64 seconds remaining, CDO will call for time. Again, we will have to take a breather. Grabing laban, first game of 10, bakbakan agad, magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
With 64 seconds remaining dito sa ating opening quarter, a rare miss. This time at the free throw area. And if I would to sum up our first quarter, it has been really fireworks. Both teams are really scoring at will. No defense in sight. And if this is what's to come for today, talagang excited ako mag-cover ngayon for our 10-game schedule. We just seen teams just responding to the call, answering the points here. And if this continues from the first quarter until the end, kung sinong una magbinte, siya makatatalo dito. As that basket earlier goes in for CDO, foul na naman ang itatawag sa kanilang depensa, meaning free throws once again on the side of Bataan. Tied at 26, knocks down the first one. Balik ulit sa Bataan ng Kalamangan, 27 to 26. With 40 seconds remaining in our first game of 10. Patagal pa tayong magsasama dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas, the home of the Junior MPBL and the Junior MPBL Pocket League. A rare defense played here as Magtanong and Galasio looks to make a stop here. Final 30.8. Maclaban sends it on the other side. I've put back by the big. Alfaro gets on that basket. 28 all ang ating score with 16 seconds remaining on the clock. Last shot ang Bataan, a 3-ball. Wala pa rin nakakapuntos dito as Samson looks for that outside shot with 6.1 seconds remaining here inside Banana Court. Marami pang oras dito with 6.1. A steal on the other side. 2 seconds to go. Hoisting one up. And that is how we will end our first quarter of action. High intensity, fast pace, both teams scoring at will. CDO Bataan knotted at 28. What a first quarter. Let's see if this trend will continue in the second sa aming pagbabalik dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan.
Sean Egita and Bataan up here or tied at 28 here now, breaks the tie. Now here for the second quarter in the Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas. This is Baron Mercado. I'm covering the action, and so far, yung ating first quarter, it has been helter-skelter. It has been an offensive train, an offensive treat to everyone na nanunood. Again, Bataan wearing white, CDO wearing red, a turnover and a counter steal made here on the side of Bataan. Nice pass, Castillo with the finish. That's just a good read to end up in the hands of Castillo. Samson, isa sa mga naging bayani for this Bataan squad. Really had an awesome first quarter. Pare sila ni Sean Egita, a three-pointer. Wala pa rin tayong three-pointer made dito sa ating Battle of Champions. Now looking for their same play. Everything you can do, I can do better. Again, we ended the first quarter, both teams scoring 28. Cuevas, Di Discarte looks to break this 3-2 zone played by CDO, Coach Boy on the other side. Looking to make a necessary adjustment on their side with 8 minutes remaining here in our second quarter. Bataan nakaka 4 points na. Dalawa doon galing kay Castillo. Here's Cuevas. Looking to break this time a 2-3 zone. Busting that middle. Shoots that 3. Cuevas couldn't put that basket in. As Sean looks to protect the ball and Egita successfully getting that possession back on the side of Bataan. Again, both squads really back and forth on that first quarter. Ngayong second quarter, a bit a slower pace. Medyo nakokontrol na ng ating mga under 14 yung kani-kanilang mga excitement dito. And now, we are starting to see a more structured type of basketball between these two teams. Dahil yung excitement nila talagang naramdaman natin on that first quarter. Just both teams going into this court and just scoring. And speaking of scoring, that goes in once again. Looking to make a counter is Cuevas. Goes for that attack. Ooh, what a tough shot. Di ko alam kung saan hinugot ni Cuevas yung bali, yung contact. But regardless, Cuevas make it happen. And speaking of making it happen, the big will be at the line once again. 34-32 ang ating score. Again, live tayo sa Junior MPBL page. Misses on the bonus. Alfaro gets that rebound. Looking to pound his way in. Had a solid first quarter. Nanonood sa atin a player na naglaro din sa Pocket League. Si Nathaniel Mesayas is nanonood dito. Shoutout sa'yo. Just 2 years, tama? Ang iyong agwat dito sa ating mga naglalaro from Bataan and CDO. But for now, ang ating mga bida ay itong CDO. Again, dito sa ating schedule for today. Ang mga maglalaro po lamang muna for today ay ang ating mga first runners up dahil yung mga laban ng kampiyon will start April 8 and April 9. So for April 6 and April 7, that is today and tomorrow, ang maglalaban po muna ay yung mga first place teams. And just like that, tabla tayo kanina at 28. CDO now has a 1-point lead here, 35-34. Halfway, almost halfway in dito sa ating second quarter. Again, two teams just playing solid offense. Stepping on the line for that shot. That won't fall. A chance to run once again. Nice touch pass. And the finish by Alfaro. Nice play by CDO. And they are up by 3. What a touch pass on that last one. Finding your big, finishing it home. We have a timeout called by Bataan. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
As we approach the halfway point mark of our first game of 10 for today, CDO up by 3, 37-34. Castillo, who scored earlier, one of the first 4 points ng Bataan, looking for this jumper that is off to the right. Ball is recovered now. Alfaro returning the favor, looking for that two-man play. A rescue on the side and just finding some angles. Kung meron lang on stats dito to break down on that first or on this first half of action, sigurado ako field goal percentage of these two teams high as ever as that follow-up goes in. And right now, ito na pinakamalaking kalamangan buong laro. 41-34, a 7-point lead para dito sa CDO. They have done a good job now playing defense, breaking in, and scoring their basket as easy as that. What a move, what a display this time by Coach Boyet and Coach Boy, I should say, and sa buong CDO ngayon, yung depensa nila ang kanilang pinahihigpit dito. As Castillo will hoist one up. Still won't work. Still finding that range. Meanwhile, on the side of CDO, what a play. They have been so impressive in this second quarter. Talking about CDO. Tabla tayo kanina at 28. It's now 45-34. A 17-6 run. Can't find the angle. Offensive rebound, and there is a whistle call. Again, just a perspective for everyone. Kanina po, at the end of the first quarter, 28 all ang ating score. But right now, it's 45-34. Meaning 17 points na po ang nai-score ng CDO dito. Meanwhile, itong Bataan just only scoring their 7th point. So kumbaga plus 10 na agad. ang CDO in this quarter because of relentless defense on the half court. That's really more impressive as they have been making those stops on the half court. Binibigyan nila ng pagkakataon itong Bataan to set up their plays but also taking advantage of the fact that they can play defense on the half court really lethal as that turnover won't be happening on the side and still just continues to pour down the points. Mataas ang field goal shooting for CDO. Turns around, Sean Egita. Follow-up won't work. And a rebound is wrestled here. Both squads fighting for that possession. No whistle. Almost a dribbling violation as we approach the last 2 minutes. Nice pass. Lowing for that reverse, but a foul was called. Could have passed it outside for a cleaner look, but nice idea on the side of CDO to really pound the ball inside at ituloy lang nila yung kanilang ganda ng performance inside the paint. And again, if I have the stats right now, the stats would say a lot of inside points in the paint para dito sa CDO. They have been just dominant inside, completing plays after plays, basket after basket. Meanwhile, for Bataan, their offense has slowed down. So tulad ng sabi ko kanina, kung sino yung unang magmintis dito, yun talaga matatalo. And we have seen Bataan making a couple of shots, pero yung depensa ng CDO mas humigpit as a 3 hoisted up still won't work. And a chance to run, leak out play was available, but finding a much better shot. Ayaw madaliin, and that is what I have seen in this second quarter for CDO. Hindi nila minamadali yung kanilang opensa dito. They just run at the break, find the open man, and just score at will. 50-35 is the score with a minute 12 remaining. A nice tap. Let's see if they can finish a 3-on-1 break. Yes, they do. Cuevas has been playing well in the second quarter for Bataan, but they need a lot more. A rare miss inside para dito sa CDO. Para sa ating mga kababayan sa Cagayan de Oro, isang magandang araw po. Yung mga kababayan natin sa Bataan, magandang araw din po. Again, this is the first game of 10. Alam ko itong dalawang teams na to maglalaro pa mamaya for their second game. A 3-ball. Still no 3-pointer for this game as Sean Egita makes that extra pass. Interior defense naman ang pinapakita dito ng CDO. Just really tough. Hard to penetrate inside. Gusto ko lang batiin, Madam Irene Palmario. Nanonood sa atin, pinapa-shoutout si Ray, yung ating game announcer dito. Lagi nakasuporta yan saan mang liga. Maraming salamat po. As a foul was called. 18.5 seconds remaining and total control para dito sa CDO. Already scoring 22 points in the second quarter, make it 23 points. Again, under 14 pa lamang tong napapanood natin. And they are really off to the gates. Takbuhan kung takbuhan as Cuevas will hold in for the last shot. Has played well for Bataan. Here he goes. Was stripped on that attack. A leak out play, 1-on-3 with 2 seconds to go. Cuevas lost the ball. And this shot, hindi papasok, hindi counted. But we will end our first half of action with Bataan scoring 24 points, 52 to 37, a 15-point lead na. Tignan natin kung makakabawi ba ang Bataan or will CDO run away on the second half dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo.
Second half of action dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo sa Banana Court in Las Piñas, Baron Mercado covering the action. And it is now a 17-point advantage para dito sa CDO. 54 to 37 ang ating score with the guys in red scoring the first 2 points dito sa ating second half. Nice block on the other side. Just getting that rejection. (54-37), looking to make a run as Valencia goes to break down that cross. It is recovered now on the side as Antolo looks to make that outlet pass. Hindi lang nasalo, masyadong mataas para sa kanyang kakampi to make that or to receive that pass. A rare turnover on the side of CDO. Waiting for that call that didn't come as Sean Egita takes that ball. No one was looking for that Egita pass. Balik ngayon ang bola dito sa kampo ng CDO. Again, if we will break down both quarters. First quarter, itong magkaparehong team really excited to play dito sa Junior MPBL, especially on this brand, Battle of Champions. Both teams scoring 28 points in the opening quarter. But come second quarter, dun na nagsimulang maghigpit itong depensa naman ng CDO, only limiting Bataan to 9 points as Valencia pulls up for our first 3-pointer of this tournament. Though a traveling call, a nice stop on the side of Bataan. Let's see if they can capitalize yung 3-pointer na ginawa ni Valencia. Made that 3-pointer on the left wing. Valencia once again brings the ball here, sends it on the side. Di diskarte, guys in white, Bataan looking to add more points. Second three. This time it didn't work. Good rebound by Galacio. At meron ng foul na itatawag ang ating referees doon. Balik ang bola dito sa Bataan. 17 points ang pinakamataas na kalamangan. Now down to 14. Another 3. That is too strong Now Bataan relying on their outside shot. Goes for that extra pass and that is just quality basketball. Di nga lang pumasok on the other side. Nice cleanup job though on the side of CDO. As Galasio, I believe, scores on that basket. Samson, didiskarte once again. Balik kay Bautista. A steal is made here. Going for the run. Looks for that attack and that is access denied on the side of Bataan. Samson, I believe, was the one who said no. Six minutes, 10 remaining as that jumper goes it. Only a two-pointer, but nonetheless, a big of a lead steal, 58-40. Goes for the fake. That shot won't fall. A rebound is secured here by the guys in red and now going for the run. Macalaran. Nasty spin in the finish. What a move on the other side. Believe that was Galasio again completing that spin and that play. What a move by Galasio. But free throws will be shot here. Alcan makes the first free throw. Will not make the second one. Nice rebound on the other side. Not paying attention. A 4-on-2 break that will result to a foul para sa kampo ng CDO. They are now up here by 20 as Magtanong will be at the line looking to add more points on the board. Makes the first one is Magtanong. Couldn't make the second. Tignan natin paano babawi ang CDO dito. Medyo na-halt yung kanilang string of offense. But that one, finally, converting on their side, their 10th point of the quarter as we are approaching the halfway point mark here. 62-42 and that jumper goes in for Castillo. Nice look. Back and forth. Yun nga lang, an 18-point lead as Galasio again with a finish. What a finish. Losing or using those long strides to get that ball and now another chance to run for CDO. And again, lefty finish. This now has become a clinic para dito sa CDO. A close first quarter, runaway on the second, and now on the third, just putting in the stamps on this game. 66-44. A steal on the run for the finish. Another turnover resulting to another point. Coach Boyet has no choice but to call time para dito sa Bataan. CDO feisty as this game goes on. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
As we return off this timeout sa ating Battle of Champions, brought to us by Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. 68-44, a 24-point lead. As Magtanong off the timeout hits that and one opportunity. Tingnan natin kung mabubuhayan na ang mga bata dito ni Coach Alfred. Magtanong will be at the line here, looking to complete that three-point play. Kisses it off the glass for that deuce. And that is your three-point play opportunity converted by Magtanong. Going for that drive once again. Didn't work. It is recovered by the guys from Bataan. Magtanong will be stripped on that pass. They discard it once again. Amamag. Nice pass inside. Another defensive stop. Another point for CDO. 3 minutes, 17 to go on the run. Nice two-man play through that finish. Referees will call a delay of game. Macalaran with that unselfish play on the other side. Had an open layup on the right side of the court. Then decides to pass it on the left. For that easy 2-point, 72-47. No fouls. Masyado dito sa ating laro. It's just high-octane basketball. That's just the best way I can describe this game. Palitan lang talaga ng puntos as Bautista knocks down the three. Gets that three-pointer to go. Another play was made on that shot. Hindi nga lang naipasok. Magtanong goes behind his back. Rescued. Extra pass. Shot. Castillo. That won't fall. On the run. The big man looking to beat the defender. At least 3 trying to stop him. Balik sa Bataan. Looking to push through. Down by 22. Castillo was erased. And a foul was called. Antolo has been standing his ground nung ating opening half of basketball. Antolo scored a couple of points, lalong-lalo na on that second quarter. Now on the third, he's now playing defense as they failed to hoist up a 3. Macalaran all the way, 4-2. Just a runaway for Macalaran. Almost a nice stop. Pero sabi ng ating referees, merong foul as Canoy went for that swipe. So with a minute 20 remaining here in the third quarter, we'll miss that free throw. That's De Leon para dito sa Siklab Bataan. 2 of the 9 provinces na kalahok dito sa ating Battle of Champions. And we're in the third quarter of our first of 10 games. A lot of basketball to cover, a lot of basketball that we will witness. Almost a steal with a minute remaining. Didiscarte dito, shot clock violation. Masyadong na-relax ang opensa dito ng CDO on that last play. Wasn't able to take that ball in and read that defense well. De Leon to Magtanong, who scored earlier off that glass, cleans it up and in. Want to see Sean Egita once again para dito sa Bataan. A 3-ball though off the steal. That is off the mark. Magtanong couldn't make it 6 points for him. De Leon had that open shot, decides to pass it back. If I were Bataan, I would take those shots dahil medyo nahihirapan na sila sa pinapakitang depensa dito ng CDO. Kailangan makakumpleto sila ng mga baskets as quick as possible as we are nearing the end of the third quarter. 21.7 remaining as Bautista and company looking to make one last play. De Leon looks to break this defense in. A 3-2 zone once again is being played. Almost a steal. Bautista with the rescue. 7 seconds to go. Bautista couldn't finish. Nice rebound and a chance to run. Second to spare. It is off to the races. Sabi ng ating referees, that basket won't count, but a better quarter for CDO, though a slower pace that we have seen. 74-53. CDO only scoring 18 points. Fourth quarter action coming up in this under 14 matchup between CDO and Bataan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo.
Fourth quarter action between Bataan and CDO. Magtanong first shot of the quarter won't fall. At kung babalikan natin yung ating third quarter, that is the lowest scoring quarter para dito sa CDO all game. First quarter, they scored 28. Second quarter, they scored 24. Then on the third quarter, only scoring 18 points. Pero ang kalamangan naman nila dito has now increased or still at 21. If you're Bataan, of course, want to chop this lead down, get it to as low as possible. Pero paano mangyayari maipapababa ang kalamangan when they are committing violations as a 3-second call? Sean Egita has now re-emerged on the scene para dito sa kampo ng Bataan. Let's see if he can continue yung kanyang magandang first quarter. Magtanong. Nice. Fundamentally sound itong magkaparehong teams na to. Just knows how to use the glass as a good defensive stop by Sean Egita. And this time, mabilis na timeout na itatawag na naman to start our fourth quarter. 8:37 remaining after that basket by Magtanong.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng
74-55 ang ating score with 8:35 remaining in this, 8:27 I should say, in this ball game. As that foul was called during that drive, Samson will be at the line. Masusubukan na naman at the free throw area. So we started this fourth quarter, I should say, lamang ng 21 itong CDO. Now 19 with 8:24. Mahaba pa ang oras. If you are Bataan, you need to cut it as low as you can. As low as 12 bago mag 5 minutes para at least it is only a 4-possession ball game at the halfway point mark. Pero if you are CDO, this is where your defense will be tested. As they get that steal once again. Steps out for 3 is Aklan. That is no good. Or Alcan, I should say. Couldn't get that one. Makalaran. Couldn't get that pass. Goes for that spin. Recovering. Balik ang bola sa kampo ng CDO. "15 seconds on the shot clock." Tignan natin paano tatapusin ng CDO itong laro na ito. They are up here by 18 points. Fakes on that 3, steps on that jumper, that is off. A chance to run, now a leak out play. Samson attacks and finishes it home. Starting to have a good third quarter. Itong si Samson. Castillo says no. Naihabol pa. What a block by Castillo. And now a stop once again. Balik ang bola dito sa CDO as Bordado and crew. Dodging a bullet, sabi ko nga kanina, if Bataan can cut this into 12, bago mag 5-minute mark, they will be on a good spot. And so far, they are only down by 16 points. And a steal by Egita. On the run once again, Samson, nawala sa kanyang bola, Makalaran. And company with a recovery. Let's see if they can hit a big shot here. Momentum is going on the side of Bataan. And that is one way to do it. Finishing an easy basket. Egita, nice pass. And the finish by Magtanong. So it's Samson, it's Magtanong, it's Egita para dito sa Bataan. All players working for CDO. What a move on that finish. Ginamitan ng pektos ni Amamag. A 3 by Castillo after that block. Egita will lose the possession with 6:03 remaining dito sa ating first game of today. Balik sa 18 ang kalamangan ng CDO. Only scoring 4 points so far itong CDO. Meanwhile for Bataan, having a better fourth quarter, but that is just a good move by Galeon. Nice fake. Can they finish? Bitin yung jumper. And a foul was called as Alcan will be at the line. 5:30 remaining, a 20-point lead. Alcan with a miss. And if you're Bataan, you cannot afford to miss your free throws. Down by 20. Knocks down the second. Now a pressure defense being played by Bataan, looking to take that ball as quick as possible. And a steal on the other side. Cuevas for 2. So let's see if magsabay-sabay na sila Magtanong, sila Cuevas in this game as Egita will be called for that foul. And this is what I love about players in the province. Sanay sila sa banggaan. For either team, kanina nakita natin Egita with a bump. Adali-dali ang tinayo as that jumper. Going in once again for Galeon. Has at least double digits in this contest. Talking about Galeon. Magtanong now has been smoking hot for this Bataan squad, down by 17. Nice fancy pass, and that results to a foul, as I believe that will be Basanyes. Siya naman ang masusubukan sa free throw area. Meron siyang at least 5 points in this game. Knocks down the first one. Besanyes once again. Will miss on the second. Gets his own rebound. Nice pass and another finish. Just putting his stamps in. Itong si Galeon in the third. A 3-ball. Samson with a miss and a runaway. Smallest man on the court. Emergency pass is made. Besanyes with a finish. And it's now a 22-point lead. Back to 20 after that quick play. Just a 20-point lead. Ang nakikita natin dito, a chance to run. Cuevas, a 4-on-1 break. Ang sisipag tumakbo talaga nitong ating mga players dito. That was a 4-on-1 break and another response on the other side, just continuing to put the points in. This is just a replay of the first quarter, pero malaki na ang kalamangan dito ng CDO with 3 minutes remaining in our ball game. Maybe a bit too late for Bataan to make a run. Still a lot of time. They just need to make some consecutive baskets. 2 minutes 45 to go here. As that 3-point basket goes in, a much needed one. Bataan calls for time. Time is not on their side with 2:39. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBA para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba.
$19-point lead after that 3-pointer from a CDO going in with 2:25 remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Sa ating fourth quarter, I should say. First game of today. And it is safe to say, ang unang mananalo sa ating Battle of Champions will be the players from CDO. And they have done it through defense. They have done it through good passing, smart basketball. And for me, the turning point of this game was on that second quarter, kung saan nalimitahan lamang ng CDO itong Bataan ng 9 points. So that is really the difference of this game. Dahil 28 all tayo natapos nung first quarter. Pagdating natin ng second quarter, Bataan only finishing with 9 points. Kumbaga hindi na sila nakasabay sa tempo na gustong takbuhin ng CDO and giving an additional fact sa ganda rin ng pinapakitang depensa nitong CDO and Coach Alfred not loving that play. An easy leak out. Kaya kahit with a minute 19 napatawag ng timeout, not loving that play, CDO will go to the win here. Just waiting for the last time here. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga
94-75. Hoisting a 3 that won't fall. Another rebound. Again, this is just CDO basketball. For me, they have been really impressive. Talking about CDO as we are into the last 50. They have the offense. They have the teamwork, the IQ. Yun nga lang. For the side of Bataan, a bit too much. And another steal is taken here, adding a couple of points in the basket. Madaling basket, mahirap. Everything just falling in on the side of CDO. They have reached the century mark. Make it 102 points. Mas lalo na nilang napalayo itong laro na to. And they have scored, I believe, their 28th point as they pull up a 3 that won't fall. What a way for us to start our Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions with the guys from CDO winning convincingly. 102-75 is our score. What a performance for them. And we will be right back. What a performance by CDO. They have taken it all the way.
Liga ng bayan